Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode of Affiliate Profits Insights, your guide to online success. I'm Luther, and this series is dedicated to helping you master the art of affiliate marketing and achieve financial freedom. So, grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's get started on your journey to online success. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to email marketing with the best tips and tricks to boost your campaigns in 2024. Let's get started. Email marketing remains one of the most effective ways to reach and engage your audience. Here's how you can master it. Build a quality email list. Use ethical methods like offering valuable content in exchange for signups to grow a list of engaged subscribers. Craft compelling subject lines. Create attention-grabbing subject lines that entice your subscribers to open your emails. Personalize your emails. Use segmentation and personalization to tailor your emails to each subscriber's preferences and behavior. Optimize email content. Write clear, concise, and valuable content that encourages your readers to take action. Test and analyze. A/B test different elements of your emails and analyze the results to see what works best and refine your strategy. For more detailed tips and tricks, check out the full article on our website. In case English is not your native language, feel free to change our website language to your preference. Be sure to click and check out our top recommended method for achieving consistent daily earnings with zero investment. Watch the free video and get started today. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Thanks for watching.